Hello everybody, and welcome to our holiday decor guide, where we'll show you how to turn your living room into a festive wonderland. From setting up the perfect Christmas tree to adding those final cozy touches, we've got all the tips you need. Whether you're hosting a holiday gathering or just want to enjoy the season's magic at home, we'll help you create a warm and inviting space. So, get ready to be inspired and let's make your living room the heart of your holiday celebrations. Let's get started. The first step to creating a stunning holiday living room is deciding on a theme. Do you love the classic look with reds, greens, and golds? Or maybe you prefer a modern twist with metallics, whites, and minimalistic decor? Whatever your style, choosing a theme helps keep your decorating cohesive and focused. Start by creating a mood board. Gather inspiration from magazines, Pinterest, or even past holiday photos. This will give you a visual guide and help you see how different elements can work together. Think about the overall vibe you want. Cozy and rustic? Elegant and sophisticated? Fun and whimsical? Your theme will guide your choices for everything from tree decorations to throw pillows. Once you have your theme, make a list of key pieces you'll need. This might include ornaments, garlands, stockings, and other decor items that fit your chosen style. Having a plan will make your decorating process smoother and more enjoyable. The Christmas tree is the centerpiece of your holiday decor, so let's make it shine. Start by choosing the perfect spot for your tree. Ideally, it should be in a prominent location where it can be admired from different angles. Once you've set up the tree, begin by adding the lights. This is easier when the tree is still bare. Weave the lights from top to bottom, making sure to wrap them around the branches for an even, beautiful glow. Next, it's time to hang the ornaments. Begin with your largest ornaments, placing them evenly around the tree to create a balanced look. Then, fill in the gaps with medium and smaller-sized ornaments. Don't be afraid to mix different textures and finishes, this adds depth and interest. For a truly festive look, add some garland or ribbon. Drape it gracefully around the tree, making sure it flows naturally. Finally, top off your tree with a beautiful tree topper that complements your theme, and don't forget to add a tree skirt at the base to hide the stand and complete the look. With the tree decorated, your living room will already start to feel more festive and ready for the holidays. Now, let's move on to the mantle, a perfect spot to showcase your holiday spirit. Start by draping a lush garland across the top. For extra sparkle, weave in some fairy lights or tinsel. Hang stockings for each family member from the mantle. If you have a theme, choose stockings that match your overall decor. Personalized stockings can add a special touch and make everyone feel included. Add some festive candles or lanterns to the mantle. These create a warm, inviting glow that's perfect for cozy holiday evenings. Arrange them at varying heights for an interesting visual effect. Consider placing a few holiday figurines or small decorative items on the mantle as well. Whether it's reindeer, snowmen, or nutcrackers, these pieces can add charm and character to your display. Finish off your mantle by adding some fresh greenery or holly for a natural, festive touch. Your mantle is now a beautiful focal point that will draw everyone's eyes and add to the holiday cheer in your living room. Now that your tree and mantle are looking festive, it's time to focus on adding cozy textiles to your living room. Swapping out your regular throw pillows and blankets for holiday-themed ones can instantly transform your space. Start by choosing pillows in festive colors and patterns that complement your theme. Think rich reds, greens, and golds, or more neutral tones with winter motifs like snowflakes or reindeer. Place these pillows on your couch and chairs to add a pop of holiday cheer. Next, drape a few throw blankets around the room. Opt for plush, warm fabrics like fleece or knitted wool. These not only add to the holiday ambience, but also invite guests to snuggle up and get comfortable. Drape them over the back of your sofa, on an armchair, or even in a decorative basket for easy access. Consider adding a holiday-themed area rug if you really want to go all out. A soft, cozy rug in a festive pattern can tie the room together and make it feel extra inviting. Finally, don't forget about your window treatments. Switching out your regular curtains for ones with a holiday design or adding some festive tiebacks can be a subtle but effective way to complete your cozy, holiday-ready living room. Now that your decor is coming together, it's time to create the perfect holiday ambience. Start by lighting holiday-scented candles like pine, cinnamon, or vanilla, and place them around the room to spread the fragrance. Add fairy lights to shelves, windows, or in glass jars for a magical glow. Use LED candles in the fireplace for a cozy feel without the worry of an open flame. Play soft holiday music in the background to set the mood. Create a playlist of your favorite holiday songs or find a curated one online. Lastly, add soft, cozy elements like a plush throw on the couch or a fluffy rug. These small touches enhance the overall ambience, making your living room the perfect place to relax and enjoy the holidays. Your living room is now transformed into a cozy, festive retreat for the holidays, filled with warmth and cheer. We hope you've enjoyed our tips on creating the perfect holiday atmosphere in your home. Whether you're hosting gatherings or simply enjoying quiet moments with loved ones, these ideas are sure to make your holidays memorable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration and holiday tips. Thank you for watching, and from all of us here, we wish you a joyful and magical holiday season.